In this video, I'd like to show you 4 different ways to promote your affiliate products professionally on Pinterest, even if you don't have any website. And first of all, let's get straight and agree on something very important. That is, the best way to promote your affiliate products every way is you can create valuable content or valuable articles in your own website where you can insert your affiliate links. Thus, you could build a relation and trust between you and your readers. And of course, I told you in the beginning of this video, you can promote your affiliate products professionally on Pinterest without using a website or having a website. And that transfers us to the first way to promote your affiliate products on Pinterest is by using a free hosting service like a blogger.com or Google site, where you can create your own free blog and insert your articles that contain your affiliate links. And then a good question comes up. How we can write your articles? There are many ways. The first one, you can write it yourself if you are an expert in your field. Second one, you can use or get help from artificial intelligence tools like writing.com, Jasper, longshot.ai, AI SEO, or writer.me, copy.ai, and a lot and much more of these tools out there. And the third method, just you can paraphrase or rephrase any article to create your own unique article. And to that, there are 2 options or 2 amazing tools. The first one, spinrewriter.com, or an amazing tool in writing.com where you can rewrite any article, a whole article, in just a few seconds. So you can create your article, insert your affiliate links, and promote your article professionally on Pinterest. And then one thing you have to know. You have to make your image pin vertical and tall because it's more noticeable and distinguishable among all other pins to increase your click-through rates. And now let's move on to the next way to promote your affiliate links and affiliate products professionally on Pinterest. Currently, there are many affiliate programs that are allowed to insert your affiliate links directly on image pin, like Amazon Associates program. So if you're working on Amazon affiliate program, just you can take your affiliate link and paste it directly on your destination, link it on your pin. However, if you are working for any other affiliate program, what shall we do? You have 2 options. The first one, you can try to copy the link of your affiliate product and insert in your pin. And here the most important thing you have to do, that is, you can insert in your description of your pin a disclaimer or a disclosure like hashtag sponsored, hashtag affiliate link, hashtag affiliate, or something like that as a disclaimer, and it clarifies you as a person who respects the guidelines and laws of Pinterest regarding affiliate marketing. And if Pinterest blocks this domain, just you can move on to the next option, which is that you can use a landing page, which is a mediator between your Pinterest and your affiliate product page. And of course, I have talked about a lot of these landing page makers like fyi.to, tilda.cc, Milanote, justpaste.it, and much more. Find these websites below in the description box. So you can promote your affiliate products just directly or using landing pages. The third way to promote your affiliate links professionally on Pinterest, just you can use an amazing feature on Pinterest, what's called tagging products. Here you can upload your image and tag many products, including your affiliate links. And of course, currently there are some affiliate programs that are allowed from Pinterest to insert affiliate links on its images or its idea pins, including Etsy.com. Affiliate links on Pinterest can only link directly to Etsy via idea pins. So you can create your idea pin and you can tag your affiliate products from Etsy.com through that idea pin as products tags. So how to do that simply and quickly? Just you can go to Pinterest and upload your image pin or idea pin from your mobile phone, like this one. Then you can find this feature or this tool, tag products. Click over that and go over to this plus icon and select URL, and then you can insert your Etsy affiliate products or any other products if Pinterest allows its affiliate links. And now let's move on to the fourth way to promote your affiliate products on Pinterest professionally is that you can use what's so-called link in bio. Link in bio. And of course, like any other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, that allows you to insert in profile a comment or your main landing page or your website where you can promote different affiliate products. And of course, there are a lot of these link in bio makers like this one, Linktree, the most well-known link in bio maker. The next one like Beacons.ai, here you'll find a lot of amazing features to create a beautiful landing page to promote a lot of affiliate products and your YouTube videos and your music tracks, Spotify, and so on. Or the third option, which is Koji.com. It's a beautiful link in bio maker. Here you will find a lot of features and tools to help you more to promote your affiliate products through any social media platform. And here you can find amazing section like this one, popular links in bio apps, as you see. And if we go deeper in Koji.com, here we'll find amazing tool specific for that affiliate links. As you see, affiliate links, pop-up shop, or shop the loop. Here you can make an image and tag many affiliate products through that image. Okay, perfect. And by the way, where and how to insert your landing page, or so to speak, your link in bio on your Pinterest account. Simply head to your account on Pinterest and come over here to settings, click over that, and just scroll down to the section website. Here you can paste your main website, your main landing page, and your link in bio to drive traffic from your pins and your idea pins, video pins, to up there your landing page. So now you have known 4 ways to promote your affiliate products and affiliate links professionally on Pinterest, even if you don't have any website or without any prior experience. The first one, you can create your articles by using artificial intelligence tools or paraphrasing tools and using a free hosting service like blogger.com or Google site. Or you can promote your affiliate links directly on your Pinterest pin. And don't forget to mention that in the description of your pin, like hashtags, sponsored affiliate links, affiliate, and so on. Or you can use a landing page, which is a mediator between you and your affiliate product page. Or you can use the tagging feature on Pinterest by using image pin or idea pins. Or the last one, just by using a landing page or link in bio that you can insert in your profile on Pinterest, and you can make your all pins and your video pins and any other pins and direct your customers to your profile to find your landing page or your link in bio, where you can find a lot of websites you are promoting in that landing page. And this is Linda. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.